everybody, this is Jeanette with Totally Flock Avian Rescue, and I'm here with my, well, everybody, but my little buddy here, Willie. Say hi, Willie. We had a cage donated today, and the donor made the comment that he's been stalking us for a while, and seeing everything in person was just overwhelming and breathtaking, and he just had lots of good things to say. So I thought I would give you a quick tour. How's that? So here we are coming into the facility. And we got the talker here. So everybody tends to get rearranged at some point. Sometimes the macaws are over here. Sometimes the cockatoos are on this side. I do keep them separate. I've got all the littles here in the middle. And we're working on getting the insulation redone. That is what we had to rip out. So that was all insulated previously, and we had to rip it out because we back up to the woods right there, and it gave the little field mice and rats someplace to hide and breed. So we don't want that. So one of the things that the donor was making a comment, and I've had this before many times, is how happy everybody seems. Hi, baby. Yes. That's what we're here for, to make everybody better, huh? Yes. Let's see who's laughing at us. Are you laughing at us? Huh? Are you laughing? Come on, sweet girl. Hello. No, ma'am. Hi. So these two always get loud when I touch one or the other. They like each other, but then they fight, if that makes sense. Like they kind of get a little pissy with each other, so they have to be lovers from afar, even though they're both females. Hi, Gracie. Hi, Gracie. Hello, Marito. Come here, buddy. You come see me? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come all the way down. Hi, buddy. Hi. Come here. Where you at? Where you at? Oh, you're mad because I got Willie? Is that what happened? Are you mad? Hello, babies. Hello. Whoop, 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 whoop. Hi. So we have a sprinkler system on the roof for the summer to keep the building cool, and that allows the birds to still enjoy the humidity and the natural warm air. They get outside almost every day, but building that insulation back in is going to be crucial. Thanks for taking a quick tour with us. Say bye, Willie. Bye, Willie. Bye, Willie. Oh, you're just doing mwah.